Hi guys, in this video I show you how to view replies on Thread app easy. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step for viewing others' replies. First, initiate by launching Threads. Start by opening the Threads app. Then navigate to the profile of the individual whose reply you are interested in, selecting their username, which you can find at the top of any of their posts. Then explore the profile. Upon accessing their profile, direct your attention below the following or follow button. Here you will discover two distinct tabs labeled Threads and Replies. Then access the replies by selecting the Replies tab. You will be presented with a comprehensive list of all the posts the user has responded to. Then, for viewing your replies. First, head to your profile. Tap on the profile icon situated in the lower right corner to view your own profile. Then locate the tabs. Similar to viewing someone else's replies, you will notice the threads and replies situated beneath the edit or share profile button on your profile. In the third, view your replies. Select the replies tab to review all the replies you have made within the app. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. I see you in the next video. Till then, bye.